Guys, welcome back to another episode of Barry Acid Bassin. And we're going to be doing some pond bassin, and this pond's pretty much like out in the middle of nowhere. Can't even tell where we're at. I really don't even know where we're at right now. And so I'll catch you guys when we get onto a fish. All right, later. Boom. Right there. Is that a small?
Oh shit!
Oh shit, dude, he choked it.
Yeah, this one's fat as fuck. Hey, look at the gun on it.
Oh, just missed one right there. Hope we got it all on camera. I wonder where he hit it. Oh yeah, mid-tail right there if you can see it. And I was tossing it on a half-ounce tungsten wobblehead with a T-Mac big bite worm. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when I get onto a fish. Oh, fucker. Missed him.